Join us in supporting Gau Seva at ISKCON Bangalore. At ISKCON Bangalore, we are dedicated to upholding the tradition of Gau Seva. We invite you to join us in this noble cause by supporting us in caring for our beloved cows. At our Goshala, we maintain a serene environment where the cows roam freely. They enjoy the freedom to graze and relax, coming back to the shelter on their own. This freedom ensures that the cows are calm and content, reflecting their well-being. Our cows require a balanced diet of dry fodder, green fodder and concentrated feed. To meet their needs, we ensure a constant supply of fresh fodder. Additionally, we provide about 2,500 liters of water daily to ensure that our cows are well hydrated. At this Goshala, we take care of our cows and bulls who have served Krishna even when they stop giving milk and grow old. We ensure that our cows and bulls live with dignity and love until their natural end. We humbly seek your generous support for this noble cause. Donate to the Gau Seva today and be a part of this divine service. Your donations will help us provide the necessary resources for our cows' nourishment, healthcare and well-being. Hare Krishna.